First, to create a database to the application, I have used a free web-based service called FreeSQL database and then created tables and populated them using phpMyAdmin. So these are the 5 tables I have created and populated them with some values. This is our application. It has 2 components, one is doctor and the other one is patient. The doctor can log in using his credentials. There are 2 options, search a patient or add a treatment. The doctor can search a patient by the patient's ID or last name. Here the patient's details are displayed along with his past treatment history. This patient has visited a cardiologist on 8th of December at 10 am and this is the treatment and note given by the corresponding doctor. Now the doctor can add his own treatment after his visit to the patient by giving these details. Now there is a button called apply here. I don't have sensors here. I have assumed that the sensor reading will be written to a text file in the name of the patient's ID like this. When the doctor clicks on apply, the readings will be applied here along with a message. So this patient has high blood pressure and hence it is shown. And now there is new button called apply here. This occurs only when the patient has some problem with the blood pressure. So when the doctor clicks on apply, the default medication for the high blood pressure is applied. So now the doctor can click on add and add the treatment. So the treatment is successfully added. These are the 2 options for the doctor. Now we see the patient's. Now we look at the patient's component of our application. The patient can log in using his credentials or he can click here to register by giving his details. Now we use our previous credentials. So the message is shown. We have entered a wrong username or password. Now on clicking submit with the correct credentials, the patient can look at 6 options. The first one is personal details where he can see his own details. The second one is treatment history where he can see his past treatments with different doctors. The third one is search a doctor where the patient can search a doctor by his ID or last name. Now we give last name and try. So you can see his doctor's ID along with the category. Now you can view his appointments by clicking this button. So this patient has 3 appointments with these doctors at different dates and times. He can also book an appointment if he wants. He can give the type of the doctor he wants and the date on which he wants to book an appointment along with the time. Now there are 2 doctors available at these particular timings. He can click on any of them and the appointment will be booked. Now we'll go and see his appointments. See, there is a new row added. Now he can cancel this appointment if he doesn't want it. These are the 4 present appointments he have. He can cancel any of them. We try the latest one. So the booking is cancelled. We'll go and see in the appointments and there is no row corresponding to that appointment. So the patient has these 6 options. Thank you.